Today I will be unboxing the My Melody, My Melody and My Sweet Piano. That's what I will be unboxing, and I also got this. It is a Kuromi, Lego figure. I got these from the Flea Market. I'm pretty sure that's what it's called, and I'm very excited to unbox. As you can see, this was already opened. Well, because it was at the Flea Market. Of course it was opened. Okay, well, let's open it again. They tried to touch. Wait, isn't there's something at the side. I'm gonna try opening that. See what happens if I open that first. Okay, let's open it. There. And it's still attached from the top. Perfect. So, as you can see, it opens. So, yeah. Now let's open it from the top. You can also get all of these. It shows that also. I don't know if I'm getting that or not. What? How is it still taped? I thought I unlocked it. Oh my god, I almost cut myself. So you just pull that. You're basically pulling two things. And then you open that. Wait, maybe it didn't open yet. This isn't open yet. So I got a big packet. So I'll put this there. I got this. It's like a little map thing. It's so cute. On the corner it says, My Melody. Hi Melody, don't you know everyone loves you? That's what it says like in the corner. So that is a card, and it also shows this on the front. Cheese mouse. Yeah, it says cheese mouse right there. Also in different languages. Now I will start opening the surprise. I am so excited to do this. Okay, let's open this. It's blue. It has an ear. Oopsie. Oh my god, it's very loud. I got a little mouse house. It's a little mouse house. Look, it's a little mouse house. It has little eyes. It's so cute. It's also open on the bottom. And then it has like a little tail that is a flower. And then also has like a little strawberry on top of it. So cute. And there's also another thing inside. Oh, I'll put this there, I guess. So I got a little basket of like tomatoes or strawberries. Basket of tomato and strawberry or strawberries. Here, it'll look better when I take it out. And I also got a little bunny holding a little strawberry. The basket's probably full of strawberries then. And then I also got a little purple bear with a little cotton candy on its head. And it's like, what is going on here? Why am I on camera? Okay, let's start opening. Okay, I will open it. So, first up, we've got these are little strawberries. So, these are the strawberries. Oh, oopsies. Right. I don't know which camera it is. Is it? Bro. So, okay. So, this is the little basket, and then it's full of little strawberries. Probably can't see it that good. Here, look at it. There are little strawberries inside. It's so cute. So, like, they're the strawberries. Probably can't see it that well. But I'm trying. I just don't know what camera. Oh my god, I almost cut the bunny's ear. Are you okay, bunny? I think that's a yes. So, I also just got out the bunny. He's holding a little strawberry. So it's so cute. Little bunny. Little strawberry. Okay. There's my British accent. Comment down below if you like my British accent. Okay. And then I also got a little bear with, well, I already told you. But I also got this. It's so cute. I also want to show you the bunny again because it was a little blurry. So that's the bunny. And then, oh, he's wearing a little t-shirt, a blue t-shirt. And then I got the strawberries. See? Little strawberries. Little strawberries. Here. Okay, so it's like a little basket of strawberries. Okay, now, we need to look at which one we got. So, the collector's guide is on the box. So, wait. So, we got... So, we got the cheese mouse. We got the cheese mouse. Right there. Got the cheese mouse. Yes, we got the sauces. Yes. So, that is the one we got. They could, like, go inside the home. Like, I will do a stop motion movie. It's like, this is a little home. The bear is like, where did my friend go? And then he just comes out and he's like, hey, I found a strawberry for you. Oh, thanks. Yum, yum, yum. I have one for me too. Yum, yum, yum. Yeah. And then they also came from like little patch of strawberries. Hey friend, I got a basket of strawberries for both of us. Oh, thanks. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. Yay, we both like them. Yay. Okay, the end. Okay, I will put them in their home now. Don't forget your strawberry basket. Chromie, my Chromie, also wants to visit them. Hello. She almost got cut. Stop the scissors. Hey, can I come in? Yeah, sure. Hi. There. Wait. There. Yes. Okay. Well, now I will show you the other ones that you can get. So, you can also get the strawberry jam one, the strawberry jam one, the strawberry mouse one, also the soy milk souffle, the soy milk souffle. You can also get the strawberry red velvet. That is the one with my melody that I wanted. You can also get the milk Tyro bunny right there. And then you can also get the one that I got. It is called the cheese mouse. Once again, that is the one I got. Oh, look at this. It has like a little Hello Kitty thing. You can scan it too. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have this toy, then go ahead and if you have the stop motion app, go ahead and make a stop motion video so I can see yours so that it will give me some ideas to do mine. Thank you for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Yeah, peace out. Bye.